Good morning, children. In this class, in this video, you are going to learn a new lesson from Unit 2, The Snake Catcher. Children, see this picture? What do you see in this picture? A family enjoying a peaceful life and a peaceful evening in the corridor, in the outside, in the lane, or in the garden of the house. So, in this picture, grandma, grandpa, mother, father, and two children are playing with so many toys at the same time with so many pets. See, see, many animals are there around them. Do you have any pets at your house? See, some pets are shown in this picture. Do you have any pets at your house? Yes. Are you comfortable with them? You feel very happy. See, if anyone have a pet at their home, they feel so happy. Mostly small children, they play with their pets after coming from the school. Even pets also enjoy playing with small children. They feel so happy. They roll on the ground and they play with balls and small children. They feel so happy, excited. They feel so excited being with them. So do you treat them in a friendly manner? Yes, we treat our pets in a friendly manner. They are your best friends, isn't it? If you find any strange animals near your home, do you go near to them? Strange means which you have ever seen. Such type of animals like small animals like a scorpion or a snake or any other animal. Will you go near them? No, you are scared by seeing them. Do you treat them as your pets? No, you feel so worried. Why? Why? Because they may harm you. They may they may bite you or harm you. So you will not go near them. So here you are going to have a lesson, the snake catcher. Let us see. The snake catcher. This lesson is written by the author Maulana Jalal Uddin Rumi. Children, whom do you see in this picture? The snake catcher. A person who catches snakes with his special skills and let them dance in bazaars and earn some money for his livelihood is called a snake catcher. So let us see what happens to this snake catcher in this lesson. Once there was a snake catcher. He caught different kinds of snakes and let them dance in bazaars and earn his livelihood. As days went on, people lost interest in street performances. So the snake catcher decided to go into the cold and snowy mountains in search of new kinds of snakes so that he could display them and earn a few coppers from the crowd. Coppers means here it's not a, it doesn't mean that it's a metal. Okay, a copper, the word copper means metal as well as some coins of low value. He searched for many days in the snowy mountains and found a terrible and fierce dragon in dormant state. What do you mean by dormant? Dormant means being in a being in a deep sleep or slowed down for a period of time. that means the animal's physical activities will be slowed down for a period of time. It goes into a deep sleep for some years, sometimes some years or some months. That is called dormant state. Mostly these animals which live in mountains, snowy mountains, perform such type of activities. Okay. So it was a very big and looked very attractive in golden yellow color. What it is? Dragon. He found a big dragon, terrible dragon. He found that it is a type of big snake, and he thought that he would earn more money with the help of this dragon. After a great struggle, what he did, he tied up that he bundled up the cold creature in a cloth, and he tied up with a string to take it to his town. And after tying it, he carried it to the town to display it in the streets. He was dreaming that this mighty dragon would change his fate. That means he would become a rich man by earning so much money with this dragon performance. He thought that people would treat him in a ceremonial way. Ceremonial means uh, mm, giving more respect or treating him in a religious manner. So treating him in a great way. He thought that people would treat him in a ceremonial way for his braveful act. Braveful act, isn't it? Why? Because he went into the snowy mountains and such a high mountains. He went into those high mountains in search of different kinds of snakes, and he found this dragon, big dragon, and he brought the dragon to the town. So no other person can do such type of things. So he thought that people would uh, treat him in a ceremonial way. He would get a lot of money and lead a luxurious life. He thought that yes, with this dragon I could perform so many activities and so many stage performances so that I could earn more money. But what happens? Let us see in part 2 what happened to this snake catcher. Children, let us have lesson reading of this lesson. Just look into the paragraph and follow me where I am reading. Once there was a man in Iraq. He was a snake catcher. He caught different kinds of snakes and let them dance in bazaars as it was his livelihood. As the days went on, it became very common to the town people. They lost interest in those street performances. Hence, the snake catcher decided to go into the cold and snowy mountains in search of new kinds of snakes. He wanted to display them to the town people and thereby raise a few coppers from the large crowd. So, there was a man in Iraq. Iraq, it's the name of a place. So he was a snake catcher. What he used to do, he used to catch some different kinds of snakes and let them play or dance in bazaars so that he could earn some money for his livelihood. So in this way he used to give some performances in the streets every day. But as the days went on, it became very common to the people. By seeing the same performances every day, people will not gather over there. No. See, will you go to the same movie for many days? No, you will not go. Will you see for many times the same picture? No, you will not show any interest. Okay, in the same way, people also stopped gathering to his performances, to his snake performances. So day by day, they lost interest in those street performances. So at the same time, he also his earnings also came down, decreased. Hence, the snake catcher, what he decided, slowly he decided that no, this is not the correct way. I should do something. I had to go to the snowy or cold mountains so that I could get some different kinds of snakes, which would attract these people. So he thought of going to the mountains. It's a very difficult task, but he wanted to do it. So he went into the mountains in search of different kinds of snakes, and he wanted to display them to the town people, thereby raise a few coppers. Coppers means some coins. Just we have some coins, 2 rupees coins, 1 rupee coins, like that, money, nothing but money, so that he could raise some fund from the large crowd of people. Foolish man that he was, he searched through the snowy mountains. He found a terrible and fierce looking dragon which seemed quite dead from the cold. It was big, looked attractive in golden yellow color. He bundled up the cold creature in a cloth and tied it up with a string and carried it down to the town. He was dreaming that this mighty dragon would change his fate. People would admire his brave act and treat him in a ceremonial way. He might get a lot of money so that he could lead a luxurious life. So he's a foolish man. Why? Because in search of different kinds of snakes, he went into the cold and snowy mountains in search of these different kinds of snakes. So thereby, after searching for many days, he found a very big and terrible, fierce looking dragon over there. But it is in a uh, dormant state. That means, as it is a cold region, this animal slept in a slept for many days in dormant state. That means its activities all slowed down for many days. It is in a deep sleep mode. It was big, it was very big, huge, and looked very attractive in a very good color, like a golden yellow color. So everyone's eyes would everyone's sight would attract him. Then what this man did, this snake catcher, he felt very happy by seeing this dragon, and he bundled up this cold creature in the cloth and tied it up with a string. Then he carried it down to the town, and he was dreaming that yes, this mighty dragon would change my fate, and people would also admire me by seeing this dragon. Yes, it's a very braveful act also. So no one can do such type of this thing, um dangerous. It's a very dangerous thing. It's a very horrible to hold such an animal, such a terrible animal, all the way to the town. So he thought that people would treat him in a very ceremonial way, and he might get a lot of money by displaying this dragon in the streets. And he thought that he could earn so much, a lot of money, and he would lead a luxurious life. But what happened? Did he earn luxurious? Did he earn money? Lot of money? What happened? Let us see. Let us wait and see what's going to happen to the snake catcher in part 2. Whether his dreams would come true. He would earn more money by giving street performances. with this fearful dragon? Let's see. Children, here is your assignment. Here is your assignment. New words: bazaar, performance, copper, searched, terrible, dormant, attractive, creature, ceremonial, luxurious. So write all these words, each one 3 times. Okay? And learn them. See you in the next class. Thank you.